Words without meaning are just letters, floating in space. But when you understand words, when you learn their meaning and see the people behind them, you discover their links to other ideas, other words, words that might change your life. We're creating a new lexicon that connects you with the people and principles that define sustainability. We're a grassroots collection of everyday heroes. People with new solutions. People just like you. We translate ideas into information artworks that become pop-up shows appearing across America. Curated by students, farmers, mothers, and teachers who activate their communities and create conversation around bold new ideas, while artists take this new lexicon to the streets. It's a movement that has no center because it's happening everywhere. And it's happening now. As people reclaim the soil, discover new farming skills that start with a blade of grass. They learn who grows their food or grow it themselves in their gardens or on city rooftops. It's a celebration of food and farming, of kitchen incubators and culture, and of tools teachers and students use to discover their own food systems. These are our stories, and they're gathered in an engaging new short film series. One that explores everything from food waste to organics, seeds to land trusts. A series which will expand to the web with an interactive lexicon, a repository of knowledge people will use to create their own communities and conversation. Information transforms societies, and it begins with you. We are the Lexicon of Sustainability, where your words can change the world.